Hello everyone. Today we have a very useful video. If your phone constantly lags, freezes while playing games, or suddenly slows down for no reason, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to disable heavy background scans and clear hidden app data in the Play Store to speed up your device immediately. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Tap on your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner and select Play Protect. Tap the Settings gear icon in the top right and turn off the switch for scanning apps with Play Protect. This step is crucial because this feature constantly runs heavy background scans that consume your processor and RAM, causing sudden lag spikes. This is happening even though your phone already has its own built-in security scanner doing the exact same job. If your phone asks for a password when you try to turn this off, simply use your normal fingerprint or screen lock PIN to confirm the change. Next, go back to the main Play Store screen and tap your profile picture again. Select Manage Apps and Device, and then tap on the Manage tab at the top. Tap on the Installed button to open a drop-down menu and select Not Installed. Then check the boxes next to all the old apps and hit the Delete icon at the top. The Play Store secretly keeps leftover data and tracking links for every single app you have ever deleted in the past. This constantly loads background ads and slows down your phone's performance. If you don't see the delete icon immediately, simply check the boxes next to a few apps first. A small trash can symbol will appear in the top right corner for you to tap. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe.